Are you thinking about selling your home in Sarnia but still have a mortgage? Don't worry, you can absolutely make it happen. Hi, I'm Mac Mallon from the Blue Coast Realty team, your trusted experts in the Sarnia Lambton real estate market. Whether you're looking to sell your home or buy a new one, we specialize in providing local insights and personalized service to make your real estate journey smooth and successful. Now, if you're wondering, can I sell my home in Sarnia if I still have a mortgage? The short answer is yes, you absolutely can. Many homeowners in Ontario are in this situation, and it's more common than you might think. Here's how it works. When you sell your home, the proceeds from the sale go directly to paying off your mortgage. Anything left over after that is yours to keep, and you can use it for your next big move. But before you list your home in the Sarnia real estate market, here are a couple of things to consider first. Make sure you understand your mortgage balance, know what you owe, and keep in mind any prepayment penalties your lender might charge. These penalties can vary, so it's important to check with your lender before making any decisions. Also, if you plan to buy another home in Sarnia Lambton, the great news is that local housing prices are competitive and there are plenty of opportunities. So, whether you're upsizing, downsizing, or relocating, you'll have options. For tailored advice and the latest insights into the Sarnia Lambton housing market, reach out to the Blue Coast Realty team today. We're here to help you navigate the ins and outs of buying a home in Sarnia or selling a home in Canada. Let's make your real estate goals a reality.